One remote area on the Earth exists solely to test the limits of the automobile, the Nürburgring Nordschleife. Tucked deep away in a German forest, these unforgiving roads have birthed many of Germany's fastest and safest automobiles. The country's premier flagship sports car is the Porsche 911. At last, the newest and most powerful Porsche, the GT2, has arrived in Japan. The world's highest level sports car. In recent years, new types of Porsches, such as the Cayenne, have hit the market. The experience gained creating these new cars proved valuable when designing the new 911 models. For its 60th anniversary in 2008, Porsche built a machine more powerful than any of their past 911s. The name of that machine is the 911 GT2. Its full titanium exhaust system delivers the distinct sound of forced induction. 530 horsepower from a peak boost of 1.4 bar is easily laid down to the wheels with virtually zero loss from environmental factors. The front drivetrain system has been adopted from the 911 Turbo, and 150 kilograms of weight was shaved off due to the vehicle being a two-seater. The stability control has been improved with newer technology and revisions to the entire suspension system. The Nissan GT-R is the result of Japan's unrivaled intelligence and skill with producing high-quality goods on a small budget. This engineering marvel is a direct representation of just that. And the 2008 second-generation model, first, the NSX-R makes its attack. Though the NSX-R is no longer in production, it's a machine known to respond to every single driver command, and it's still a RS. The 911 GT3 RS is a model that communicates Porsche's undying racing spirit directly to the driver. The precisely engineered, naturally aspirated engine is the 911's ultimate asset. It's completely different from the GT2. After the disappointing testing at the Maze circuit, Drift King decides to bring out his personal vehicle for an encore showdown. The lightly tuned suspension and the S tires are expected to make up for its lack of power. The NSX will take on 500 horsepower. It was built by a Ferrari exclusive tuning shop named RS Dino. So far, this 360 has been fitted with a shop original aero kit and full suspension system. The concept of this vehicle setup is to run racetracks as quickly and safely as possible. The standard equipped S tires were replaced with Pirelli P0 Rosso tires and teamed up with RSD components to produce maximum mechanical grip. The grid is set up opposite the time attack finish order.
パワーでは絶対勝てないな。コーナーのバランスで勝負してやる。
The Tsukuba Circuit 5-lap battle begins. Hattori's powerful GT2 lines up with Kerry Kaye's 360. A replay from inside Kerry Kaye's 360. Tsuchiya's NSX leads as he tries to shake off the pack. Ara's GTR attempts to pass Hattori's GT2 from the outside.
いきなり外から行っちゃってますけどいいですかね。いきなり行っちゃってますけどちょっと下がりますね一回。服部さん GT2
The first two cars have an easy lead so far. There are only 5 laps in this battle.
GT2 ちょっと GT2 ってこんなことやってるとあ速いここは速い。
The GT3 gave the lead to the NSX at the start. It clips each corner to try and take the lead, but Tsuchiya's NSX has a huge lead at the end of lap 1. Ara's GTR attempts to pass from the inside.
ブレーキ。失礼します。逃げろー。やべえ。
Tsuchiya messes up. This type of mistake can be critical in a torqueless car. Kerry Kaye is driving phenomenally for his first time in a battle. After the Dunlop Bridge, he adjusts his speed to prepare to pass.
Hey! コーナーが速いんだこれ。だってストレート一緒だもんこれ。ブレーキいけるでしょこの車。それでコーナーだよこれ。速いの。
Ara's GTR destroys both Porsches at the last turn.
入りますよ木下さん。木下さん高いからぶつけたくないよ。お願い。
The battle unfolds as Hattori watches from behind.
すごいなみんな。この爆発的なスピードは何なんでしょうねみんな。おい。
Tsuchiya drives the NSX to its limits, while Kerry Kaye's 360 calmly follows from behind. The mechanical grip system is working like a charm. Tsuchiya feels the pressure, and there's no margin of error as the Ferrari gets closer and closer. Hattori's GT2 climbs to 4th place, only 2 laps left.
Oh, 重たいけどブレーキいけるし、すごい安定してるもん。これはトラクションいいし、やっぱ GTR はこの辺速いな。
みんな速いよけど。
Hattori and his GT2 achieve their best lap time, but cannot catch up to the leading cars. The top 3 vehicles enter the final lap bumper to bumper. The Ferrari 360 puts pressure on the NSXR. The GTR is quick through the infield section. Will it be able to pass? Is the GTR having some issues?
どうしたんだこの GTR。あら、ギアが入んなかった。何が起こった？何が起こった？君なんか起こったぞ。やったー！ GTR に勝った！
The battle between the top 2 vehicles continues. The 360 makes its last attempt. Tsuchiya's NSX manages to get away. The GTR's transmission suffered heat problems due to not sufficiently breaking it in. This led to its demise. The transmission will probably require an overhaul.